A circular swimming pool has a diameter of 16 feet. So let's draw a circle. So diameter is when it goes all the way across through the center. So that's 16 feet. So calculate the circumference in feet inches. So first let's go to our formula package and go to measurement and look up what the circumference of a circle is. So it's right here. So you have two formulas. You can use 2 times pi r or pi times diameter. So since I have the diameter, I'm just going to use this one. So pi times diameter. Now, I'm going to use the pi button on my calculator, not 3.14. So circumference equals pi times diameter. So it's going to be pi multiplied with 16. So I'm going to use the pi button on my calculator. I'm going to multiply by 16 equals. So I get 50.265 feet. Now remember, I'm asking for feet inches. So you can go back to the trig unit if you want, but you need to switch that and do the staircase method to feet inches for your final answer. Okay, let's look at number 4. So number 4, I'm looking for the area in feet squared. So area, so let's go to the formula package and look up area of a circle. So area of a circle is pi times radius squared. So radius times radius. So to find the radius, you take the diameter and you divide it by 2 because the radius is halfway. So the radius is 8. So the radius would be like from here to here, half of 16. So it's 8. So the formula was pi r squared. So you're just going to go pi multiplied with 8 squared. So you can just type that on your calculator. If you want to do pi times 8, you can do that as well. So I'm going to use pi. I'm going to go times 8 squared equals, and I get 201.06 feet squared. Okay, so let's look at number 8 now. So a fire hose has a diameter of 2.5 inches. So let's draw a quick circle first. So I'm going to draw a quick circle with a diameter, so all the way across. And I'm going to actually put 2.5 because that's easier for me to work with. So it's inches. So calculate the circumference. So if you remember it, it was pi times diameter. We just did that. So I'm going to go pi times 2.5. So pi times 2.5 equals, I get 7.85. And so that's inches. Let's look at number 9. Number 9 was calculate the area. So if you remember, that was pi r squared. We just did that. So I have to do half of 2.5. So I'm going to go 2.5 divided by 2. So I know I'm working with a radius of 1.25. So I'm going to do pi times 1.25 squared. So I'm just going to punch that in. So I'm going to go pi times 1.25 squared equals. So I get 4.9087. I'm going to go 4 decimal places because I'm going to reuse the area in number 10. So that's in inches squared. So number 10 says calculate the pressure on the nozzle when it's 75 pounds per square inch. So for that question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it up as my ratio. So I've got 75 pounds over 1 inch squared. So I'm saying pounds in the numerator, inch squares in the denominator. So I have my answer in inch squares, 4.9087. And so I'm solving for the pressure in pounds. I'm going to put X. So all I'm going to do now is cross multiply and solve. So I'm going to take that 4.9087, multiply it with 75, and I know that's 368.16, and it's in pounds.